Hi, this screencast will take you through how to use the library's click and collect scheme. That's what you currently need to use if you want to borrow books from us. So the first step for click and collect is to go to the library catalogue. You'll find the library catalogue on the library website. Library website is library.hull-college.ac.uk. We go there. It's the library website, and up at the top there's a link to the catalogue. We enter the catalogue. And find the book that we're looking for. If a book on the catalogue says Internet available, then it's accessible as an ebook and you'll be able to access it straight away. If it says Queen's Gardens available, then it'll be upstairs on our shelves. In which case, click on the title of the book and click on Reserve. Log in with your normal Hull College username and password. And that's it. The book is reserved and it will be ready for you to collect from the following working day. That is basically it. That is how you use the click and collect scheme.